Hi, this is Jim, Winchester Systems, and welcome to this video short which answers the questions of what is the new FlashDisk Global Manager version 3, commonly referred to as the FGM3, and what enhancements are there as compared to previous versions of FGM2? Well, FGM3 is a storage management application which allows one to centrally administer multiple flash disks from a single pane of glass, 50 plus flash disks, right from one window. It is an installable application which runs on multiple operating systems, including numerous versions of Windows and Linux. So FGM3 also facilitates the use of all flash disk storage services, such as automated storage tiering, snapshots, local and remote volume mirroring and volume copies, and synchronous or asynchronous remote replication. So the enhancements can be broken down into a couple categories. One I would say is the improved user experience or user interface, the look and feel, the texture, and the second would be the addition of some new storage services with improvements to existing ones as well. So let's log in and take a look. So first and most apparent is the improved user experience that this FGM3 provides. We have enhanced graphics which are more contemporary and in line with the current generation of flash disk technology. User responsiveness. The response is much quicker as opposed to FGM2. Again, the focus is the enhancement of the user experience. So with this comes a true consolidated single pane of glass management wherein you can access every flash disk that you would like to administer from this one page. There are no applets, no secondary storage managers that have to pop up in multiple windows such as our previous version, FGM2. So to top it off, FGM3 facilitates a web server-based remote management. Basically, you can open up this management screen from any remote server, even a tablet or a smartphone, simply by using HTTP and putting in the IP address. So as for the second category of enhancements, which are really storage services and improvements to existing storage services, I would say one of the first ones to start with here would be automated tiering. So if we take a look at our volume, you'll actually be able to look and see that's enabled for tiering, and we can look at some information and have a tier 0 and tier 1 with data residing in each popping up here. Beyond that, we really have new methodologies in the way we accomplish online storage expansion. With the use of the new truly virtualized storage, we enable you to start with a host limit as small as 10 gigabytes and then provide the capability of expanding it to a huge 512 terabytes in size without any downtime or any impact to your server's existing file system. And to furthermore alleviate that aggravation of planning for downtime, we've also incorporated non-disruptive online firmware upgrades for our new FX product. So beyond that, we also have a new, more centralized replication manager. It's a one-point stop and shop for all your replica volumes or copies or mirrors that are out there from any flash disk that's being managed by the application. And one of the great features is a new network diagnostic tool which really actually measures bandwidth and latency for those remote replication environments, which is invaluable to make sure that that link between sites can handle the needs of the synchronous replication needs. Also enhanced performance monitoring, including RAID engine, CPU utilization, and individual disk drive metrics, and everything in between can be monitored here. Here you see on the main splash screen we have enable performance monitoring checked off here, and we have RAID CPU engine utilization. Apparently this unit's not too busy now with 1%. Write back cache memory utilization. We have throughput or IOPS you can measure. But what is really impressive is the actual ability to drill down to the individual disk drive and monitor the actual latency in milliseconds or throughput, or both at the same time, for reads and writes of all the disks in the system. Alright, and to top all this off, we have a full suite of complementary items, including a new CLI with complete supporting documentation so you can script jobs to run against a flash disk, a new MIB for SNMP monitoring infrastructures, and new FlashPath MPIO package for Windows, and to top it off, a VSS agent for Windows for seamless integration so you can ensure data consistency when you do those remote replications or snapshots or mirroring. So I want to thank you very much for your valued time spent watching this video. For more detailed information, please reach out to your local Winchester Systems contact or visit us on the web at winsys.com. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.